Hi, I'm Shaun Keyt, the tutor of the Electronic Music Theory course at the School of Synthesis, and I just want to give you a quick overview of the course. The course will look at some foundations in music theory and how this theory can be used in electronic music. You'll learn how to write better bass lines, chord progressions, and other melodies in your tracks. First, we'll look at scales. Now, scales determine which notes you should play to get a certain melodic sound, and we'll look at scales like major and minor scales. We'll look at how they're used in electronic music and how you can decide which to choose. For example, in a C major scale, you play these notes. In an A minor scale, you play these notes. Each scale has a certain character to it, and in the course you'll learn not just about the notes in a scale, but how to choose a scale and make use of it in a track. We'll also look at writing bass lines. To do this, you first choose its key, let's say A minor, and then write the bass line using notes from an A minor scale. Now there's so many possible variations for how we could use these notes. For example, we could write a bass line repeating on the A. And this can be good to build up musical tension in the song, and it sounds like it's leading you somewhere. Or you might want a bass line which has a more defined melody to it. Or we might want a bass line which is more melodic and which could also be the bass note in a chord progression. As well in the course, we'll look at creating chord progressions. We'll look at certain chord progressions that have been heavily used over the years in electronic music. We'll look at triads and their possible variations, and this will lead to you creating your own unique chord progressions. To show you the kinds of possibilities, I'll play a chord progression now using only an A minor chord, but using its variations. So I could start with a basic A minor chord, then add a seventh, go into an inversion, and then a suspended. And play it again. And here it is with a kick. As the whole progression uses only variations of an A minor chord, I can add a bass line playing just an A the whole way through. Throughout the course, you'll be doing plenty of class exercises, exploring these techniques and many more at the Electronic Music Theory course at the School of Synthesis.